So specifically for Santina, I'm looking at C2, C3 on the left, and then C5, C6 on the right. So let me do the left side first. I just come right up underneath here. Take a deep breath and relax. And then same thing over here. Good. Good. How'd it feel?
Really good.
Like right on top of that PSIS. Okay. Just gonna get that slack out. I'm gonna go right in here. A lot of pressure. Look up at the ceiling. Good. So I'm gonna make a contact on the inferior iliac crest. So I'm gonna come down here. Good. And go ahead and take a deep breath and relax. Good. One more.